Mix condensed milk with mango and you'll be amazed at the result. Here I have a very ripe mango that's already been peeled, so I'll cut it up and remove the pulp from the seed. Once that's done, I'll cut the mango into smaller pieces. It's going to be delicious. Once the mango has been cut, I'll put the pieces in a blender. And I'm going to blend this mango very well until it turns into a cream, and look how it turns out. Let's put the beaten mango here in this container. And let's add the condensed milk here. I'm going to mix the condensed milk very well with the mango until it's homogeneous. When it's like this, I'm going to set it aside. And here in this container, I'm going to add the chilled whipped cream, and I'm going to beat it here until it's whipped, and I'm going to beat it here, and you're going to see how it turns out. When it's like this in consistency, we can add the mango that we mixed with the condensed milk. We're going to mix it here with the spoon, and then we're going to beat it again. And look what a wonderful cream this is turning out to be. This recipe is perfect. When it's ready, we'll add the chocolate. Here I have semi-sweet chocolate, but if you want, you can use milk chocolate. I've chopped it up into small pieces and I'm mixing it into our mango cream. Once that's done, let's put it on a platter. Oh, let's put all our mixture here on this platter, and look how delicious it is. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer for 4 hours. Look what a delicious dessert. It's very easy to make. And look how our ice cream turned out. Look how delicious it is. This mango ice cream is perfect. Here at home, everyone loved it, and it was a great success. And if you have some at home, you can add some chocolate syrup on top because it will be perfect. This ice cream is delicious. Whenever I make it here at home, it's a huge success. This is a very quick and easy way to make ice cream. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.